So here we go with the restoration, the low-cost restoration of a 62 Falcon Ranchero heater box. And boy, don't beat these things apart. That plastic is very fragile. You will break it. So here's the issue. I had a leaky heater core. You can see that. Yeah, leak down there at the bottom. And that's the original from FomoCo. Has a stamp on the bottom. It's also 2.5 inches thick. Well, you can buy that for a lot of money. I mean, for some people it's a lot of money, 80 bucks from Falcon Parts, which is great in Sacramento. Or you can get it for like $26.99 at your AutoZone and get a 2-inch version that they say fits. And, well, here's the deal, folks. It fits, but this is 2 inches and that's 2.5, and this box needs to be built up. So what I did was take some foam. You can get 1/4 inch foam at Home Depot, very cheap, and I layered it to build it up another 1/2 inch with contact cement. And when I put this thing together, which you're going to watch right now, you will see how tight this $26.99, I mean, I'm doing it with one hand. Look at that. Kabang. Done deal. The heck with the expensive heater core. How long you gonna own this car anyway?